Hello, my name is Mark Thompson. I'm a divorce lawyer. What I want to talk to you about today is the myth of the common law wife. This is a person who lives with a partner. They're unmarried and they may live together for some time. They may have children, and the common law wife believes that she has legal rights as to her partner's earnings, pension, property, assets generally. However, in reality, in England, she has no rights whatsoever. So let me take an example. There's a couple and they have been together for 12 years. They're unmarried. They live in the same property. At the start of the relationship, the mum was a teacher. Dad is a chemical salesman. He's well paid. They decide to have a family, and the mum gives up work as a teacher. Dad carries on in his well-paid job as a salesman, earning good money. He's got a very good pension. He gets a mortgage for a property, buys the property in his sole name. 12 years pass by. They have 2 children. And in year 12, mum finds out dad's having an affair. So she decides she wants to end the relationship and she wants dad to move out of the property and for them to come to some agreement as to the share of what she thinks are the family assets. The reality is, for an unmarried mother who's a cohabitee and has been living with her partner for a considerable period of time and who has children, she actually has 0 rights, no rights at all. So in this particular example, the father, he's the one who actually owns the property. So he's the one who can say that actually it's the mum who needs to leave. Also, mum has no claim on his pension, no claim on his earnings, except, of course, for child maintenance, and no claim upon any savings or investments. So it can cause unfairness. And the problem is many people believe the common law wife myth is a reality, but in England, it's not a reality. And unmarried couples have no legal rights whatsoever. The answer to this is to enter into what's called a living together agreement. You can enter into a living together agreement at any time. So that's before moving in together or during the relationship. What it does do is provide certainty as to what will happen in the event of a separation and the relationship ending. You can agree in terms of the share of a property, for example. So in the event of separation, the property is sold, the mortgage paid off, and the net proceeds are divided, say, 50-50. Same with regard to the pension, same with regard to savings, same with regard to investments. It's a very straightforward document that can be entered into, as I say, any time before or during the relationship. And indeed, you may, after watching this video, decide that you need to enter into a living together contract. So if that is the situation, I would ask you to please contact me at, I'll give you my website address, www.zuk, that's Z-U-K, divorce.co.uk. I provide a living together agreement for a fixed fee of £1,100, including VAT. That covers both parties in the relationship, and it's signed by both parties and then becomes a binding agreement which kicks in the event of a separation. Thank you for listening to and watching this video.